through standing in line. The clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be. Tell me what you want.
We need to tell who everybody is. Like who?
Well, this is our first vlog right here.
I don't think they can see you.
It's Tim.
You might want to turn on
yeah,
the flash.
I'll go like this. There's Tim. There's Samuel.
Hi everybody.
Yeah, I can't see you. How do you turn on the flash? How do you turn on flash? This thing?
Yep, the flash is right there.
There we go. Well, oh, okay, that's bright.
We'll edit that out. We'll edit it out.
Yeah, but
don't stop recording. Restart.
I'm not.
That's Aaron. Aaron, say hi. What's up?
Alright,
He's a lot cooler in person.
we still need ideas for
That's a
videos.
big guy.
We really have no idea. We have no idea for videos though, so.
We're gonna do something random maybe in a little bit here.
I mean, we did one with Monkey Man getting caught with porn, but no, we might not edit. We might not put that one out.
And I got my finger busted in the process by the monkey.
By making the man cave.
Yeah. Go ahead and tell them about the man cave.
Oh yeah, well.
Man cave is just pretty much where us guys are gonna hang out and come up with new ideas for the show.
Basically. Cool. But no, Sam had the idea of making this man cave. So we're sitting there and we're working for a little while, and then we come up with ideas and we just put a whole bunch of stuff in it.
That was really bright.
So.
Walking to Aaron's house.
When we get back, we'll show you the man cave and stuff. It ain't finished yet.
We're walking to Aaron's right now. We're getting the monkey mask right now. This is our vlog. There'll be many vlogs. They will.
I guess we also might as well tell you guys who does what for the show.
I guess, yeah.
Tim, he's like the camera guy. We got
camera
Sam.
editing time.
Tim is like the guy who does the videos, make them funny. And I'm the main actor. I'm the monkey.
And
but
my.
In real life, Sam's the comedian. Aaron is Muscle, and I have no clue what I am.
Yeah, in the old videos though, you guys probably know me as Tim, as the one with the mask, and my friend Nick as the random skeleton dude, but no, it's a new series, Monkey Business, with a Z at the end. No S. Okay, so. Yes. Screw it, dude. And we're almost at the Aaron's house, but taking a stroll. We're trolling.
We're just about there, basically. Why don't we show them?
Man, I don't think everybody wants to know where he lives.
We're just about there, so we're probably gonna have to wrap it up here soon.
Yeah, because we really don't want people knowing right where he lives, but unless you want.
What? I don't care what they know in my house looks like.
Okay.
Looks like shit, though.
We'll show them the address and everything.
Yeah, we live in Apple River, Illinois. We're about to show you the address.
You just see it on YouTube that we live in Apple River.
Yeah. We won't show you the address for legal purposes.
Yeah, but with Nick, yeah, no, he's gone. He's not. He's gone. No, you would love him now. Right.
What doesn't mean ask me? What's how you guys talk? I guarantee he's like, what's wrong?
Alright, just gotta get this. Hello.
Cheers. Go grab him the mask.
The what?
I'll just turn that off. Oh, cool, Nikes. Hey, Colton. Shane, whatever your name is.
Oh, we gotta find
oh my god. Okay. That's some creepy stuff right here. Guess what? We're going upstairs anyways.
Yeah, we're going to Aaron's room.
Dude, this flash is so bright. I'm about to fall down these stairs.
Dude, this is like a horror scene.
And welcome to the sex dungeon.
Dude, you keep your TV on all day.
It's a nice TV.
Yeah.
But this is what he does all day. He got nothing better to do.
Oh, please, dude,
I'm not the one.
Upstairs in the living room, I hardly even play.
I'm not usually the one for game systems, but.
He's
Alright, everybody.
not the best.
Alright, like for PlayStation 3, comment for like Wii or Xbox.
There will be boxes to click on there, which for videos, maybe. I don't know. It's up to these guys.
Like for Xbox, yeah, just like for Xbox and comment for PlayStation 3. That's, you got the mask.
You got the mask?
Alright, wig.
We got off me. Got away.
Alright, we're actually going to be walking back by vlog.
Oh, jeez.
You okay?
Yeah, I tripped a little bit.
Alright. Oh, it's crazy. Flash is back on.
Alright, you got the roof, man.
I'm wondering if I'm going to be able to see myself.
Where are you?
This is also where we'll hang out sometimes. This is our man cave too.
No, not really.
Not really. This is where it was like not really. I mean, we need one of these for the man cave. You guys, what's on the other side of this table? Like air hockey?
It's air hockey.
Air hockey, that's sweet. We need one of these. We used to have one.
Shall we play a little pool before we leave?
Yeah, we can't. Dude. We're walking back. Go. Alright guys, we're gonna end this and start recording when we get back, but I'm gonna have to turn the camera around and we'll look at the yellow beat thing and then we'll end.